everyone, welcome to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's watch and learn, we're gonna try something a little different, or not a little different. We're gonna try something out together for the first time. Today we're gonna make a Poochy pouch, which is not new. It is one of my patterns. We have a video going over it. However, today we're gonna try it out in clear vinyl. So let me show you the original. The Poochy pouch comes in two sizes, the wide pen size and the tall pencil size. And it's one of my favorite things to make. I mean, all of my notebooks have Poochy pouches on them now. My planner has it. My notebook for all my ideas for the book coming up has it. It's a really useful little pouch and a great way to, you know, like for me, I use a lot of different color pens and markers and things when I'm outlining ideas. So this is a nice way to store everything. I was wondering though, could we do it with clear vinyl? And obviously we can, it turned out. I am going to walk you through this today. However, this is going to be another video where there's no talking. If you would like me to have a full tutorial going into explanations, like verbal explanations as to really the modifications I'm making, what I'm adding to create this clear vinyl, let me know. There will be text on the screen, so as you're watching the video, if you're like, wait a minute, did she trim that down? How much did she trim it down? What is this? I will have text on the screen during those parts to let you know what I'm doing. So this should be a fairly simple adaptation. Clear vinyl means there is no lining. It is completely unlined. You just have the exterior clear vinyl panel. I am using some vinyl as binding along the edges. We're gonna walk through this, but like I said, if you feel like you just need a little bit more instruction and you really need me to yap away about why I'm doing everything I'm doing, let me know. We can do another video in the future. So I will have a link down below that has the pattern for the Poochy pouch. We also have template sets that go with this. I will have links for all those down in the description of this video. I will also have a link to the tutorial for the full Poochy pouch, so you can go reference that if you'd like to make the lined version. If you're new to the OklaRoots YouTube channel, please consider clicking subscribe down below. If at any point you like this video, please give it a like. Any questions, comments, shout outs, leave them down in the comment section. I think this turned out really well. I will be honest with you. My domestic machine, at least for me, my Bernina 770 hates clear vinyl, like with a passion. I have an industrial sewing machine, a heavy duty leather working industrial sewing machine, and I can sew clear vinyl on that, no problem. But my domestic machine really does not like clear vinyl. So I do have a couple tips and tricks, a couple adaptations that I make to make it a little bit easier, but I just want you to be warned, clear vinyl is not for the faint of heart. You have to have some patience and more patience. All right, guys, let's get started.